In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Grupo chat, that's sharp tool and private chat PHP script. So please use our affiliate link in the description to download the script. After downloading the script, I go straight to my C panel. Here is my C panel. From my C panel, I go to my file manager. Here's my file manager. Then I go to my subdomain I want to use. Here is the subdomain. I click on it. I've already installed or uploaded the script. Here is it. Then next, I'm going to extract files. After extracting files, then I close it. Next, I double click to open it. Double click to open it, then select or then move to the root folder. Move. I right click to move. Move files. Up one level, up one level. Here is it. Has already removed. Next, I go back to my C panel. I want to create my domain. I want to create my database. I come to databases, MySQL database. So let me name my database as this. Then click on create database. Database created. Then next I click on go back. After that, I create user. Here is it. Let me assume this is my username. Okay. Let me generate password. Let me use generate password. Okay. Create user. I've created the user successfully. I've created the database, created the user. Next, I'm going to add the user to the database. Add user to the database. It has already selected it for me automatically. Then I click on add. Next, I give up privileges and scroll down to make changes. So I've made the changes successfully. Let me go back to my file manager edit. I copy this. Open a new tab. Then paste it there. Enter. So next, I proceed. After going to my site, then I click on proceed. Then database is localhost. Database name, this is it. Username, this. Let me see this. Then I click on install. Okay. So I can just log in because I've registered when as I am installing it now. So this is going to do. Yes. And I click on login. So I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, here is it. I can go to anywhere I wish. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link to buy me coffee. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as well.